I'm going to attempt demo mode again. Fan light, fan light. There we go. Demo mode my Panama 5 from 1985. Finally figured out how to do it. I forgot. That was really cool how they have this as a setting. I've accidentally done this on my parents' Panama and it just it kept looping because I guess the board was a little bad. This one actually stops the demo mode and doesn't keep going. Alright, thank you guys for watching this little short video. I may either add it onto the video or just make this separate, but there you go. There's demo mode on a Casablanca ceiling fan. Until I touch. Goodbye.